Hi there, my name's Dr. Sarah Gordon and I'd like to introduce you to ESGuide. ESGuide is the software that allows you to actively manage your ESG or environment, social and governance potential threats and opportunities for your organisation. ESGuide is unique in that it brings together the deep expertise from some of the world's leading experts in sustainability, with some of the world's leading software that allows you to dynamically and proactively manage your threats and opportunities. ESGuide gives you 3 key items. First, it enables you to create your very own ESG framework. This framework is built on 2 components. Firstly, our knowledge of the international frameworks, guidelines and principles for sustainability, coupled with your very own context for your organisation. This is important because it allows you to sort through all of the different component parts on the international stage and assess what is most relevant for your organisation and the objectives that you are trying to achieve. Based on this very unique ESG framework, the second component part that ESGuide gives you is the ability to actively assess where are the gaps and the areas for opportunity in your organisation that you want to actively manage. It can therefore take those gaps or threats and opportunities, assign action to individuals within your organisation and ensure that you make progress and have impact with regards to those different areas of ESG. The third component is your ability to disclose and share your progress with regards to ESG to your different stakeholders. The array of different dashboards and reports can be tailored so that you can share what you want with both external and internal stakeholders, from shareholders through to your internal employees. So ESGuide is the tool that allows you to actively manage but also have huge impact with regards to ESG, as is fit for your context and the desires of your organisation. Thank you.